Welcome to the tutorial for scripting container and button updates for version 2.15 and above. This video explains the changes that have been made to the creation of scripting buttons with the release of version 2.15 of Show Control. Follow along on screen or on your own Show Control computer as we explore the new setup. To begin, open up Display Studio by clicking the Display Studio icon on your Show Control desktop. Once Display Studio has launched and the correct workspace has been opened, create a new workspace page. This can be done from the menu in the top left corner. Hover over New and choose Workspace Page. Within the new page, right-click and choose New and then select Scripting Container. Name the new container and then select Save. In the new container, right-click on the empty area and select New Button. Steps 1 through 3 are the same as in the previous versions of Show Control. In Step 1, select the player, Step 2, the zone, and in Step 3, the button command. Step 4 of a scripting button now has updated features. Once a file or files have been added in Step 4, a gear icon will appear in the top left corner. Highlighting a file and then clicking this gear will reveal a row of new icons. Each icon is a different feature that can be applied to the selected file. The first icon is a clapboard which sets the play mode for the button. You can set the content to play in a continuous loop or have it set to run a certain number of times. The second is a circular arrow and it sets the runtime for the selected content. Here you can set the duration of the content or the repeat count of the content. The third icon is an arrow and it allows you to set an entry transition to the selected content. Select a transition type from the drop-down list along with a transition time. Certain transitions, such as cover, will also require setting a transition direction. The fourth icon is the audio icon. This includes setting volume for the file, along with the ability to choose an alternate file for sound to play along with a graphic or clip. The fifth icon represents the Mark In, Mark Out feature. On any motion graphic, you can set a custom start and end point for the animation or video file by grabbing the endpoints of the scrub bar and moving them in or out. The sixth and final icon is a thumbnail. Here you can use the scrub bar to determine which portion of the motion graphic to use as the button's thumbnail. This can also be done from the thumbnail icon in the top right of the button, located next to the color palette icon. For stills, the scrub bar will be grayed out. When these settings are complete, continue on with naming the button and selecting a button color if desired, similar to previous Show Control versions. This concludes the scripting container and button updates video. Continue to other videos for information on Show Control operation.